Hello everyone, Tom, aka Nostradamus. It is a Monday. I start Monday making mistakes. I had a I had a like. I had to delete the like for Rumble. My apologies. JT Tager was in the house talking about something about Palantir. Hopefully he makes it back. Hopefully we are streaming live. If it's still not, yeah, all right, we're live on Rumble. Welcome to the Rumble. We got fun and games. Let's see how we're doing. A ding, a ding, a ding.
Ding 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 ding.
All right, are we live on YouTubers? Yep, we live on the YouTubes. All right, let's get logged into So Tasty. Gotta log in. I had to reboot my computer this morning, so all passwords gotta be logged into. Yeah, go through that rigmarole. I'll enter about 57 million passwords and 227 quadrillion 2FAs throughout today. That's what my life is. Mostly entering passwords, having my tokens timeout, re-entering my passwords, re-entering my MFAs, closing a bunch of windows, reopening them all. I think I'm joking. I'm not joking. All right. Let's pop on over to the desktop. Let's see what's going on. How about the chat? Stacy's mom is getting going on. Yeah, I'm in one of those moods. I've been in one of these moods. We do need to brace for Bitcoin. We're going to talk about that. It is not clickbait. I just don't know if we need to brace for the downside or the upside. I'm good with either. Not really looking forward. I don't know what I want. I really don't know if I want Bitcoin to like tank or go up. I mean, I'd love Bitcoin to tank. I'd love Bitcoin to go to like 3,000, and I had the testicular fortitude to wait and buy it at 3,000, but the chances are I won't. Right? I'll be like, oh man, Bitcoin 12,000, no way it's going lower than that, and then I yellow in. And then it goes to 3,000, and then I feel like shit because I could have bought it cheaper, and because my crypto's getting destroyed, my life savings are going down the drain. Hope you didn't see that. I kind of missed my mouth a little bit. Oh my goodness, I got a little dribble. Like I went to the dentist. All right. Stock market. I see a lot of red over here. Ugh, Coinbase. I'm now down 12,000. Tesla. How's Tesla doing? Boom, boom. Tesla's up $3. Maybe I shouldn't have sold my Tesla for Coinbase. Second guessing myself on that one. E-mini S&P up 15. NASDAQ up 41. All the talk is the debt ceiling. So the market is not worried about the debt ceiling, about it getting increased, right? That's obvious. The market's up. The VIX volatility, the fear indicator is down 9 cents. It's not much, but I mean, it's below 20. So obviously, here's the problem. Let's do my Sean Evans. Here's the problem. I think the volatility, I think it's going to get, everything's priced in to perfection, as Tom Sosnoff would say. Sauce grande. So what's probably going to happen is, 11th hour, they're going to raise the debt ceiling. The market's going to rally, and then it's going to tank. Well, why, Tom? Well, because the market's rallying because it believes it's going to happen. So they're front running this decision. So this is why I could tell you what's going to happen, and you couldn't gamble on it because you're probably it's only a 50-50 shot. I hope I'm wrong. I want the market to continue to rally, But what's going on? Well, I always say what's going on that the market should be rallying and continuing to reach new all-time highs. Well, that answer is there's just simply a lot more money in the system. I mean, I was thinking of, is there a way to visualize this? No, not really. But I'm thinking like, say, this is the amount of money we used to have. This can of delicious bubbly in like 2019, we had one can of these. Now it's like we have a six pack, right? If I could pull up a six pack, that's how much money's in the system now. Maybe it's even more. I don't know. That money's got to go somewhere. People are going to invest it. Smart people are going to invest it. Dumb people are going to buy cars that they can't afford and TVs and shit like that, right? But there's a lot more money in the system, so that's why the stock market is in a recession, in a depression. No, it's not. It's in a bear. No, it's not even in a bear market anymore, right? But there's just a lot more money in the system. Some people are gonna put that money to use. If they wouldn't have printed that money, I guarantee you. They wouldn't have printed that money. This chart would be. What are we looking at? This chart would probably be like around here. It would have never done that. And it could be down here, right? It could be way down here easily. Nope, they printed a bunch of money, skyrocket. It's trying to, it's doing its thing. It's going down like it should, but all that money's still there. So, and you know the saying: the rich get richer, poor get poor. I'm hustling every day. I'm hustling. I'm out there trying to make it into the rich crowd, trying to make it into, like, I wish my worst. Do I really? I'm getting ready to say something stupid. Like, I wish the worst problem I had is I've rubbed elbows with Epstein in the past. Hopefully I had the foresight not to get caught up in any of his shenanigans. Poor Bill Gates, right? Is all that shit true with Bill Gates? Apparently he had an affair with some bridge player. She's kind of hot. And Epstein used that against him. I don't know. That's what they're saying on Twitter. I have no idea if that's true or not. As Ricky would say, we need Jason. All right. Anything else going over here? Let's see what bonds are doing. Bonds are down 4 ticks at 127. That is not good for the good kids at all. Gold down $5, but pushing 2,000 again. Bitcoin futures are up. Looking good over there. I can't wait to get over there. I am itching. Oh my goodness, I'm itching. Where's my hydrocortisone? Kirkland brand hydrocortisone. I've been slathering my body in this all day long, like, because I'm itching to buy. Like, I want to buy so bad, I can't stand it. Can't. And Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, I can't make up my mind. Right? I do think it's hard to go wrong with Bitcoin, right? All right. Anything else? Any silver? Down 8 cents at 24 bucks, 23.97.5. Crude oil down 5 cents at $71 a barrel. Ricky in the mother house. Epstein threatened Gates to use it against him, but Gates called his bluff. Oh, did he? Gates said, "Go for it. My wife's chill." Is that what Gates did? I mean, if you're gonna have an affair, you got to be ready for some. I mean, you're begging, you're asking for trouble. If you're a dude and you're banging a married woman, That nothing good's gonna come of that. Or you're a married dude and you're banging another married woman, or just a single. You're setting yourself up for failure. That's all I'm saying. I am one of those dudes. You took the vows, and you know, slippery slopes and all that. I know it's hard to keep it in your pants. Trust me. Trust me. I know. All right. Let's pop on over to the charts. The SPX. How's it looking? It is at 4,200 at that critical level. Retro in the mother house. I love it when retro's in the house. All right. When you're wealthy, yeah. I'm not gonna disagree with you. You pull up in your Ferrari and say, "Hey baby, does this Ferrari make my dick look big?" Trust me, it does. All right. Does it make my fat ass look skinny? All right. SPX above 4,200, holding on. Well, I say it's right at the critical level, 4,200. I don't know if there's anything on the economic calendar today. What happened to my dashboard? We can still probably pop this bitch out. No news items. This shit broke. There we go. Micron bans. Apparently Micron got banned. JP Morgan sees 3 billion net interest boost all right, whatever. Ford to charge up EV drive with flurry of battery deals. Who cares? Nvidia chips away at Intel. AMD turf. Apparently there was an Instagram Facebook outage. Did anyone notice? I didn't. You know why? Because I don't use Facebook and Instagram at all. I look at Instagram maybe once every 2 to 3 months. Usually it's because there's a nude picture I want to see, or I'm kidding. Applied Materials, Rothschild and Company, Morgan Stanley, Yeah, the gram was not working yesterday for Retro, you must have been devastated. How did you make it through the day, bro? That must have been just awful for you. All right. You're not addicted? Yeah, I'm just messing with you. All right. Let's see what's going on in crypto. Total 1.09. Total crypto market cap. Crypto 1.09. So that's kind of a resistance level, actually. It looks like we can draw a nice little line right here, and it's bounce or so. Is this going to be a major turning point? Your guess is as good as mine. There is a chart I do want to look at. I swear to God, I was thinking about this setup. Now, don't get me wrong. This chart we're going to look at, it's also like this guy's smoking some major crack. Bitcoin dominance at 48. Bitcoin at 27. Been hanging around, as Teddy KGB would. Well, my Teddy KGB accent. Hanging is pretty bad. Ethereum at 1824. Hell yeah, let's go, bros. Let's freaking go. I still have an ETH long on. Aw, snap. Are we going to get it? Nope, it's actually working. Connect wallet. Let's see how we're doing. Oh, yeah, we're going to have to log in. Oh, my goodness. It's all I do. It's all I freaking do. Passwords. I was being asked yesterday if I'm going to smash my ledger. Why? Who cares? I think Ledger's made a good decision, honestly. I think they've made some bad choices. I think they've said some bad things, but what they're doing is good for crypto. You heard me, bitch. Most people aren't hardcore old G's. You know, they want to feel safe that their crypto is not going to be lost. Now, I did say in hindsight they probably should have made it a separate device, but there's no perfect answer. There's no perfect solution. I'm buying a Trezor. Hey, guess what? Trezor has flaws too, bitch. You know, burn that ledger. Jason in the house. Chad Knight in the house. How you doing? Oh my goodness, Chad Knight. Would you STF you about Ajax? Hey, nothing. Look, my DJ. Oh, DJAF has a NFT today. I should have. I was doing pretty good yesterday. Apparently, I think the NFTs are ugly AF. The DGAF NFTs are ugly AF. See if we can find this. They're cheap though. I think it was dgaf.io. Have a good one. He just comes in. Oh, he just loves bragging, dude. That wasn't that crazy. Your Solana trade was crazy. Ajax, give me a break, bro. What's this shit doing? What's so crazy about Ajax? Let's see. It went from 0.74 to 0.86. Or did you buy it down? That's the 1 hour. Where did you buy it at? 0.4? I didn't realize it. Wait, this is a while ago. This is, bro, you couldn't have made that much money. 0.62 to 0.8? All right. Sold at 0.33. So you made like 40%. You're pushing them numbers. Jason, do you ever lose, Chad Knight? Do you ever make a bad trade? Huh? Do you ever make trades that lose money? I'm just curious. No? You never lose? Okay. All right. So we got a liar in the house. He never loses. I swear you never lose, huh? What was that dumbass? DEX you bought last bull run that was on Binance but was going to be on Cardano? You were all hyped about that one. I'm pretty sure that one lost money. Oh, just in the bear market. The only thing you lost on was Nunet. Have you sold? You don't lose until you sell. Why am I burning that ledger, Jason? Oh, you haven't sold. Yeah, Nunet's going to be just fine. I think Nunet's going to be a banger. They're doing really well in their testnet. I told you, bro. I told you not to buy it up here. I told you why it was that high, and I told you it was coming back down. Right? So that I don't get to say I told you so very often, but that one was easy. It went from what did Ajax? Ajax is overpriced right now. They don't have anything. They have Nunet. Remember with that monk? Oh, that monk! Give me a break. I should have bought. You know what I should have bought is Snack. This is what I should have bought, bro. Look at Snack. I don't even want to look at this chart. I bought DJAF instead. Oh, you're gonna be like, oh, Tom, that doesn't look very impressive. Just wait. Well, I don't know why this chart. Tap tools. What is wrong with your shit, bros? Where is this? Oh, I think this thing is like zeros, man. Here we go. It ate a zero over the weekend. Let's just put it like that. I was looking at Snack. Where was I looking at? Like second day. I was looking at Snack around here. And I'm like, I ain't buying this dumbass coin. Now look at it. Now how stupid do I feel? Instead, I bought this rug pull. It's actually not a rug pull, but I'm still doing okay. We'll see. They're gonna have a burn in an NFT mint. Let's see if this bitch is live. Thought you had to go study. I heard people are destroying their ledgers. Yeah, of course they are. They're just a bunch of dumbasses. Oh, you know what? Ooh, it's just like weed culture, man. It's crypto culture. They think they're cool. They ain't cool, dude. They're a bunch of. It's just a bunch of old G people. You know what I'm saying? Like, you really do you think the adoption's gonna be people? Do you think adoption's gonna be driven by people that wanna put their seed phrase in a tin can and bury it in the desert? Or do you think it's gonna be a lot of people that feel safe that it's kind of like a bank? How many people really want to self custody their money and worry about that shit? Just because you do, and I'm like even a little uneasy about it if you really think about it. Yeah, exactly. Retro. No one, dude. You really think crypto's gonna get adopted if you have to put your shit on a hardware wallet that's, you know, tech, a little bit techy, a lot of bit of pain in the ass? No, crypto adoption is gonna come when you can securely put your money in things like Coinbase vaults and have who most people don't care about KYC. Now you heard me correctly. Most people don't care about KYC because most people aren't breaking the law. There's been so much misinformation on Twitter lately; it's disgusting. Like MetaMask is gonna pay your taxes for you. Have you guys seen those tweets? That's like the biggest misinformation bullshit on Twitter. One of them, MetaMask will. It's something along the lines. If you buy something in their store, they'll take and you make money or something like that. That's it. They're not gonna take your taxes. The IRS isn't gonna come subpoena them. They're not gonna garnish your wages. First of all, just pay your taxes. Everyone is pretty comfy with the current. You will own nothing. Yeah, I mean, we are a little bit tinfoil hat. You realize that, right? Do I really think the government's gonna come seize my Bitcoin and take my money? Not unless I do something illegal. Not unless they get me in a RICO case or I'm pushing weight. For all you normies, pushing weight means you're like a heroin dealer. I learned that from the great philosopher and poet Ice Cube. Retro says that's what I'm saying. I don't know at what in the future crypto is going to break mainstream. Yeah. I mean that's good and bad, right? Apparently they're talking about smart contracts on Bitcoin too, which is kind of exciting. But I kind of like, I don't know if I want that. So the the good about what you just said, Retro, is it keeps the cycle intact. Until you really see mainstream adoption, the cycle's there. This is the time to be buying, and about 18 months after the halving, it's the time to start taking profits, right? You can continue to play that. So what I'm going to do this time, I'm not going to be different. Oh, actually, this time I am going to be different. I'm not going to sit there and apparently get caught holding the bag. Don't get me wrong. I've said numerous times I will keep plenty of crypto there. But I hope my first world problem is I have to watch how much I sell, how much crypto I sell, because my tax rate's going to go through the roof at a certain point. That's the problem I hope I'm going to have soon. All right. Excuse me. It's not ready yet. All right. So they're minting. Go. Yeah, these guys have got a really DJF attitude. They're minting some degaffs today. They're only like 10 Cardano. I'll try and buy a few if I can find them. Honestly, I think they're ugly as hell though. People have been saying things like, "Man, these are fire." No, they're not, dude. They're ugly AF. It's not DJAF, it's UAF. Ugly AF. Ugly. This whole thing is very gimmicky. CNFT Tools is backing it, which is cool. Apparently, there's like a run of rare ones. But I'll mint it just to be a part of it. And they're burning the token with it. So I'm not. I bought some of this with some indie money. Indie, by the way, what the hell is going on over there? Hideous is right, bro. There's people legit saying these things are fire. And what is that supposed? What is this? Is this supposed to be like a slee stack with radiation poison? You guys remember the slee stacks? I know Retro doesn't know what a slee stack is, but I know Jason does. All right, Retro's like, what the f is a slee stack? Come on, Retro, let's hear it, bro. What the f is a slee stack? All right, Cardano 37 cents. Adam, yeah. Yeah, you got it. Radiant, 30 cents. Ergo, $1.43. Osmosis. Eek. When is this bleeding going to stop? What is it? It's a slee stack, not a 3 stack. A slee stack. I don't know how you spell it. Slee stack. One of the greatest television shows of all time. That's a slee stack, bro. And then Will Ferrell made a movie. What is the worst movie remake of all time? I was watching the remake of White Man Can't Jump this weekend, and I almost didn't watch it because I made the mistake of checking out the IMDb reviews, and people were just shitting on it left and right. Oh, this is horrible, blah 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 blah. But the problem is they were comparing it to the original. If you've never seen the original, they were giving it like 4s. I'd give it like a 6 to a 6.5. It's okay, right? What's his face? Jack Harlow was pretty good in it. It was semi-entertaining. They didn't keep I don't want to spoiler alert it though. Bewitched. The original was great, except Rosie Perez could be a little tough on the ears. Bewitched, they didn't really remake the show, did they? The movie, I don't remember the movie being any good, but the show was amazing. But I easily got the best, the worst movie remake of all time, and that's Point Break. That's all there is to it. Point Break is one of the greatest movies of all time. Of all time. You heard me correctly. One of the greatest movies of all time. The remake is one of the worst movies of all time. Right? It didn't even need to be a remake, and it was one of the worst movies of all time. The Thing, I've never seen the original or the second one. I don't know what to tell you, Ricky. It just sounds, the movie looks and sounds stupid. All right, where were we? We were talking. Retro gets all mad when we stop talking about crypto. Polkadot, Matic. Bleh. I'll tell you what, man. CryptoVisor. I don't know what's going on with CryptoVisor. He's been talking a lot about Cardano, a lot about it being $30 and how much he's doing. He's pulling all the. He doesn't own Cardano, does he? Is he just a total sellout? But he even like chopped it up and made one into a 13-minute video. How much Cardano to be a millionaire or something like that. Not NA, IMDb, the OG. What is that? I mean, are we just going to acronym everything? What is Martin's Killers of the Flower Moon? They need to put Mission Impossible to bed. 5 driving films we love. Talladega Nights. What's the one with Tom Cruise? That's hands down the best racing movie ever. The one with Tom Cruise, Days of Thunder. I mean, come on. There's Days of Thunder and that's it. Oh, and Gone in 60 Seconds. Now I'm curious. I don't want to watch a movie, but if it's Gone in 60 Seconds and Days of Thunder, the Italian Job, that was a good movie remake. I never seen the original though. Mad Max, give me a break. Speed Racer, give me a break. That's some shit Ricky would like. Speed, that was a good movie. I don't. I'll let that one pass. All right, what do we? The Thing. Who cares, bro? What's that dumb Cars? That other dumb movie you always want me to watch? The Thing. Kurt Russell. There we go. I like Kurt Russell. John Carpenter. 8.2. I think I can mess with this. This guy says never touch a man's French fries. And what was it? No, I can't remember. It was a movie about with Emilio Estevez and Charlie Sheen and their garbage men. Great movie. Oh, what is wrong with me? This has to be like the man. This guy's been in some shit. Men at Work. There we go. Yeah, I think I can mess with this. Let's see. 2011. Mary Elizabeth Winstead. She sounds familiar. She doesn't look familiar. Who is that? Who is that? Is that her? Oh yeah. Okay. What? I've never seen that. I've seen Live Free or Die Hard. I just rewatched that recently, actually. What part? She must have been one of the bad Scott. No, that Death Proof was actually pretty good. The Thing needs to. Maybe. Yeah, she looks super sexy there, huh? All right. Pepe, Jason, that never ever mention Pepe again. Are you still dollar cost averaging into this rug pull? Apparently, there's some new psyop shit out there. I don't know. Like, nothing. Who cares? Aptos and Sui are on my radar. Harmony 1.016. It's going nowhere. Clayton, Pandora. Yeah, the entire crypto market's going nowhere. All right, as we mentioned, actually, I want to take a look at DeFi Llama. Cardano continues to do well. Number 17, 193 million TVL. I was hearing things about ADA, but they're just a bunch of bullshit pumpers over there. Like ADA's the number one lending platform. I don't know about all that. A lot of people still calling Meld a rug pull. I think Meld's going to be just fine. Cherryland's not on here yet. Oh, I don't think they're active yet. Crime Literally. Did you see what the Russian bridge player looks like? Yeah, she was hot. Bill, I thought she was hot. Gates, bridge player. I mean, hot for a bridge player. Yeah, she's kind of hot. She got them sexy pigtails. You know what I'm saying? Mila Antonova? Are you kidding me with a name like that? Yeah, I'm down. You thought she was hot too? Yeah, but we're perverts. Ricky, here comes Ricky. The first thing I said this morning was before you got here. I think is like apparently Bill Gates. Apparently Gil Bates banged a bridge player. Epstein had some dirt on him. We need Jason. We do. And there's some more shit going on with the Durham report that was confusing me. I don't remember what it was now. Maybe we can find it. Real quick, I do want to look at a chart because I was thinking about this. Did I not retweet it? I thought I did. Oh, wait. This was pretty funny. Inflation, the government's blind. $31 trillion in debt, the government's blind. Your $600 Venmo transaction, they got a telescope on your ass. There's the DGF. All right, here's the chart. And I was thinking about this. So we are at this point. What does he say? So far, Bitcoin is following exactly this blueprint. There's 5 phases. We are spinning. So phase 1, final sell-off, FTX crash. Then we did have a pump up, and we are kind of in this phase right here, going sideways. Phase 3 is the halving peak. This says it's coming around September, October. And before I even saw this chart, I was thinking about, what is Bitcoin gonna do? Like, I mean, what price is it going to get to before the bull run starts, right? So we gotta be getting near like probably 40 to 50 to 60,000 before the bull run starts, if we repeat historically what we've done in the past, right? If we go back and look at the Bitcoin chart, and I'm just trying to give you the glass half full scenario right now. And I do think this is likely what's going to happen. I just don't know what the prices are going to be, right? This is kind of what I'm hoping for. I'm hoping we do go to new all-time highs and maybe, 100, 120,000. I'm going to be honest. I'll be happy as shit with $120,000 Bitcoin. People with these hopiums of 300, 200, 300, 500, 600, and a million, probably not going to happen. Everyone talking about $20 and $30 Cardano, probably not going to happen, right? But we're going to ride it. We're going to ride her till she bucks, and that we know when the bucks going to start happening. That's going to be near the end of the cycle, right? Plenty of people tell us, when that should be, like BitBoy and the charts 18 months after this and that. But anyway, Bitcoin did this the last time. It was it was below the previous all-time high. Right? The previous all-time high was 19,500, and it went well below it. So our previous all-time high was 69,000, and we went well below it. So this did do this, right? And then here's COVID. You can kind of just erase that out and imagine it went sideways. That's probably why the guy didn't even have this on the chart. But imagine COVID didn't happen and it just went sideways and then up, right? Same thing. So here we are, final sell-off. This did have a pretty good 12,000 because it went down really low. But it spun sideways for a really long time. How many days did it spin sideways for? Maybe we can get a good 1,015 days before it really pumped. But it got back to, it got back to, that's what we want to see. We want to see when it got back to all-time highs. So it took 1,078 days to get back to touching all-time highs. So we got to expect that run to come, and we're at 27,000. So we got to expect a run to come. So it's between like 990 and 1,080. So we'll say there's about a 100-day period where we start going for it, right? So 990 to 1,090, we'll just say, ballpark it. See where we are. And I do think that the market will repeat. Ugh. Oh, such a disappointment. We're only 550 days in, bro. 500. We got a year to go. Ugh. Come on, am I reading this wrong? Yeah, I'm reading this wrong. Nope. Some people think we do it here, but nope. I'm gonna do it here. We got a year to go, bros. Here's 990. 990 puts us in next July. I mean, that's after the halving. It'll probably come before that. Well, that was somewhat anticlimactic. Someone's trying to. Yeah, of course. A lot of people hate Gates. They think he's like one of they liken him to Dr. Evil. He's trying to control the land. He's trying to control the vaccines. He's trying to turn you all into robots and I don't know. I'm sure Epstein had tapes on Billy piping down on some youngins. Yeah, but were they underage, right? Oh my goodness. All right, well, there's your Bitcoin scenario. I tried to be half glass full, but hopefully we front run it some. Well, we got a good year if the last cycle holds. Do we look at the one before it? I don't know if I'm ready for this disappointment. Yeah, we're gonna do it. So we're gonna go to 266. $675. About the same thing, like 900 days, and then it still went down, and about 1100 days. So we have up to 2 years, man. Is that right? I would say 18 months at the worst. Good news is, should be able to buy. Continue to buy. That's what I'm going to do. Let me do this one more time, because that was very disappointing. 1100 days. July of 2024. 900 days, May of 24. The halving's in April. I mean, like I said, the Bitcoin didn't pop off until after the halving. The halving was in May of 2020, and it stayed boring for a while. It took another 6 months past that. Did you see your boy S Mouth George at the Bitcoin convention? He got shit faced. Who's my boy? No, I didn't. Bitch boy, Meet Kevin. Was Meet Kevin there? Massive dump. Any reason? Snack? Yeah, it's a garbage coin. It's a meme coin. It didn't have a lot of. George. What about George? You just said he got. Who's shitmouth George? Oh, you tried to be cool and make it so I didn't cuss, but and then you frustrated me, and I cussed. Who S-mouthed George? I know who George is, dude, but who S-mouthed him? Who S-mouthed George? Oh, he was the S-mouth. S-mouth George. Okay, I read that completely wrong. So George got S-mouthed. Hershey's lips. All right, so George got shit-faced and made a fool out of himself. That doesn't surprise me. He's a lush. I'm pretty sure he's an alcoholic. Can't hold his liquor. What do you want from me? No, I've tried to watch a few of those videos. The Jack Mahler video where the strike thing is very interesting. But unfortunately, the United States keeps making dumb decisions. There's also a lot of What I can garner is misinformation. Biden won't pass a debt ceiling because he doesn't want to protect crypto traders. I think that's likely being taken out of context. He just wants, he's trying to prevent people that are evading taxes. So I don't know if there's some law that makes it easier for you to get away with tax evasion. I don't think he really, honestly, I don't know. Right. But to me, I find it hard to believe. Well, maybe. I don't know, man. He is an idiot. All right. Ethereum 1817. E-mini S&P and NASDAQ are kind of leveling off. I was going to look at, this right here. All right. So I'm down 320 bucks. Do we think Biden is actually negotiating? No, of course not. There's no chance. Like, I mean, we know. I want to say it can't get any worse if Biden's president for another 4 years, but it can, because he might die. And no offense, Kamala might become the worst president in the history of the United States. Not because she's black. I love Obama, right? Not because she's a woman. I like Hillary. She was a pit bull. I don't want to hear how Hillary is corrupt and criminal. They all are. So cackling. Yeah. Yeah. Ricky's over there, rubbing one out over to Kamala right now. Oh, all right. Breaking. Initial reports of large explosion near the Pentagon. Uh-oh. That is kind of breaking news. For the time being, okay, so is this just like a deep fake? I have deleted my post. Apparently this isn't, is it April Fool's? One of the problems with AI right now. What medieval toilets look like? Is this not, who was the guy that got shot on the toilet by the little guy? I can't think of his name, but is this the kind of toilet he sat on? Talk about needing gravity. Look at that shit. I wonder why they needed it to be like 3 stories tall. And then you had someone down there just scooping it up. Wow. Is this public or is this someone's castle? The first modern flushable toilet was invented in 1596 by Sir John Harrington. Lannister, that's right. Lannister. All right, hotter take. This guy. We fall in love from 20 to 29. There's so much gain. Your family will thank you. This dude won't shut up about how Bitcoin's going to go to 24, 25,000. You think I give a shit about trying to time Bitcoin at 24, 25,000? No, I don't. Right? I'm happy with 27,000 if I'm buying, and I am. I'm not trying to time it perfectly. He's like, oh, and if it loses that, it's going to go to this. And if it loses that, it's, yeah, maybe it will. Maybe it won't, dude. Like, do you realize Bitcoin's still 150% gain until it reaches all-time highs again. 1.5x. If I knew there was going to be a guaranteed 1.5x plus 100%, you put everything you have on it, right? And it's going to happen in the next 2 years. You put everything you have. You sell everything you have. Your kidneys, your nuts, your car, your house. I guess. I don't know. With the way the money's inflating, maybe you lose money. Bitcoin's the greatest hedge against inflation. Maybe. You could have sold it for 67,000 in 2021 when it's 67,000 in 2024, and 67,000 is now worth like 15,000. Is it really the greatest hedge against inflation? All right. Valentine in the house. How you doing, brother? What do you think about investing in AR, VR coins? What are you talking about? Render? We like Render over here. I'm more of a I buy big. I'm a simple man. I mostly buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Cardano, and I'm content with knowing that I'm probably going to get a really good ROI. I do throw some money at some of this stuff. I've thrown some money in AGX. I've thrown some money in NTX. These are some AI plays on Cardano. I like Render a lot. I threatened to buy it and I didn't, and I missed out. If you can find the AR VR coins that are going to hit, I don't. Render's not really an AR. What did Apple? Didn't Apple push back? Yeah. So I don't know what to invest in is a problem. You can figure it out, and you can. It's tough, man. Plus, you got to time the market. Timing the market's hard. I mean, yes and no. You know what I mean? So shit coins, shittokens. Don't buy shittokens. Heyo, Costco in the house. How you doing, sister? Yeah, I don't know when the Apple glasses are. Mike drop. Oh shit. Retro's all excited to see Costco. What is this fat face ducks? Didn't Baymut? I don't think this is set up for you guys to hear. Let me fix that.
It is for them.
What is she asking?
It is for them.
I don't know what that chick's
It is for them.
What is for what, Ricky? Explain.
It is for them.
This is Hiroshima G7 summit. What do you like? What do you do? Read the journalists Russians are saying giving Ukraine's F-16 is a colossal risk. Oh my goodness. He's saying it's a colossal risk for Russia. Okay. Yeah, Costco's here more than you, Retro. How dare you, sir? Retro's been here like 3 times in the last 3 months. Costco's way above that, bro. All right. 1947, Babe Ruth. Bro, no way. Yeah, she's been here a lot lately. I'm kidding with the 3 times, but you're good for once a week. Fade dumb. All right. Bill Gates is falling apart. So is this not true? Yeah, usually you come on Monday. And then she comes later in the week, I guess. But she's been here more than you. Not a lot more, but more. We keep score around here, Casca. We're a bunch of swinging dicks. Of course we keep score. You're winning, Casca. You should want to keep score. You're winning. In my book, you're winning. I have no idea what's happening here, but I'm not complaining. This is a copyright strike, but worth it. What did she just pull out of her? What is she doing? Oh, look at her. She's psycho, man. Yep, that's the problem with fine chicks. They're crazy. We're gonna watch that again. What is this chick doing? What is she like? What is going through? Look at that dude. He just got bricked up. Kudos for him not turning around. Oh, look at what is she doing? She's smile. What? Why? What is she? She a vampire? Boom, boom. Another one bites the dust. That was weird. Is there any context in this tweet? I have no idea what's happening here, but I'm not complaining. Dude, you're gay. Come on, bro. Not that there's anything wrong with that. So on this protest for the Ukraine, oh, it's a Ukraine thing, yeah. Yep. All right, duh, I should have figured that out. Oh, and she's in Russia? Man, she's probably dead now. How did I not catch that? Boom, boom, boom. Another one bites the dust. Oh, Casca figured it out. Did you? No. Why do you keep? You're winning, Casca. Why did? No. So don't ask me about Snack. I bought DJF instead, and I'm bitter about it. All cryptocurrencies start centralized. All right. Who cares? I found the Bitcoin conf to be low attendance, icy reception from Miami. Complaints it wasn't Bitcoin pure. Pepe marketing was highlight. Poor diversity of panel and speakers. Wife insulted for third year in a row. He's no more for him. Why is his wife getting insulted? I want enhance. This past week has been an absolute dream come true. Met the CEO of World Mobile and Bloom. Met the chief architect, CEO, and two of the co-founders in Bloom. Was featured on Meet the Mobilers. All right. Crypto will de-dollarization because okay. Snack is live on CoinGecko. Who cares? Yeah, I don't know what this fountain is, but apparently they messed it up. They destroyed it or ruined it. That looks like what? No. They poured oil. Are you kidding me? I mean, I'm sure that can be cleaned up, but what the hell is wrong with these people? Is that oil or black dye? Like, she should get beheaded. Right? Just go old school on her ass. Behead them all. What are they protesting here? Just go in there and hold them underwater until they choke on what they did. Is that a dude? Morons. Honestly, don't know if that's a dude or not. Why did they do this? It's just dye? Oh, okay. Well, that's not as bad, I guess. I don't know. How easy was it to clean up? Drown them, please. Yeah, it was a nice fountain. Tom giving dictator. I can't wait for my president. I'm kidding, but they should be jailed for life. I don't know what was like. Why? What was the name? Oh, now that's me right there. Fountain protest. No one is talking about this critical ape update because no one gives a shit. Famous fountain in Rome. Is this? Yeah, this is it. Protest. Okay, what the hell? Because people, it got flooded and died. They died. Oh, climate protesters. Oh, okay. Well, this is gonna solve the problem. Stop. Is this like stop digging for oil? Is what they're trying to say? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Well, they should have to pay for the cleanup and spend some time in jail. IMO. It's that simple. Um, Blacken the water. The protest came after floods in Italy killed 13 people and displaced thousands. Yeah, that's weird. I mean, I believe in global warming. I believe we're a bunch of roaches consuming and destroying the planet, but poor Jason's going to be my vice president now that that Bort guy is no longer around. Tom's administration would not take kindly to the. No, I would not. I would not. Well, things are going to change. Things are going to get shipped up. That's for sure. Again, I will solve our money problem. I will solve the money problem. The government will become a well-oiled business. The post office will make money. What else is things the government does? That it's really just the post office and taxes, right? I guess. Is there anything else out there we can do to make some money with Bitcoin mining? Bro, the post office. The first thing I'm going to do is nationalize UPS, FedEx, DHL. No, maybe I won't be that extreme, but we'll turn the post office into a competitor. We're going to go hire. First of all, Elon Musk will be on my cabinet. I'm going to have him go in and just start firing mofos left and right in the post office and get some hungry people in there that want to make that thing money. Right? We're going to deliver packages. We're going to set up next gen warehousing like Amazon. We're taking them on, boys and girls. We're going to make some money. He doesn't think it's immoral. He just thinks it's, for most people, you're going to be less efficient. He says there are some cases where it makes sense, but he's pretty hardcore against it. If I'm being honest, I mean, there's trade-offs to everything. So, why aren't you in the office, Tom? Because I'm disabled. Actually, our company's pretty pro work from home, and we have offices in 3 major cities in California. And the headquarters is in one of the cities, and the other 2 cities there's no longer an office because they're too expensive, and it was just easier to do it without an office. So 2 of the cities we all work from home. Elon's a workaholic, yeah. I mean, I get that vibe. I've been a workaholic most of my life, a pretty hardcore workaholic, and that started to change as of late. Obviously, well, not obviously, but because blood clots and shit, bad health, shit like that. So I'm not, I want to enjoy it a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Your firm is recently pushing 50%, so you have to go to the office 2.5 days a week. Gen X don't like not doing things. Work is all they know. Being a Gen Xer, I can tell you it's kind of how I felt. I mean, You gotta understand, I grew up on a farm in Kansas. I was working at the age of like 7. And I'm not talking like raking leaves. I'm talking driving tractors and shit like that, you know, hard work. And it just got harder and harder. I had my first job at 14, farmhand, working 100 hours a week, making 100 plus hours a week, making $3 an hour with no OT. And pizza delivery driver, shit like that. Your parents don't know how to sit still. Commercial real estate is in the shitter since yeah, yep. I don't like. They own some buildings too. I think they're up for sale. I don't know if anyone's buying them. I'm not sure what's going on there. All right, oh my goodness, 7:41 a.m. already. Man, how does this happen every single time? I have nothing to talk about, and an hour and 10 minutes later, we're still going. Oh, not this story again. A man paid 10,000 Bitcoin for 2 Papa John pizzas. Dumbass. If you could go back in time and say 3 words to yourself, what would they be? Right? It has to be something along the lines of buy Bitcoin. That's 2 words. But how do you tell yourself not to sell it, right? If you buy Bitcoin, yeah, exactly. You buy Bitcoin in 2009, are you selling it when it's like $200 when you buy it at 14 cents? Like, how do you tell yourself buy BTC, buy Bitcoin? Yeah, but how do you stop yourself from cashing out too early? That's the hard part. You need like 5 words. Buy Bitcoin, sell at 69,000, right? Something like that. Buy Bitcoin at 14 cents, sell at 200. Buy Bitcoin at $1, sell at 19,000. Buy Bitcoin, that's way more than 3 words. Buy Tesla, sell at 5,000, right? You need more. Buy Tesla's a good one, but buy excuse me, frog in the throat. Buy Bitcoin, sell it like 42,000. Buy Shiba Inu. You need like 10 words. Buy Shiba Inu on launch and sell it, you know, when it hits its all-time highs or whatever. Buy Doge. Yeah, I don't know. Sometimes I put myself to sleep at night, just fantasy dreaming like that. Oh, if I were to go, the problem is I always end up to like, if I could go back in time, if someone can send me back in time and, you know, give me these, and I knew what I knew, right? But then I always do things like, and make my dick bigger, right? That always gets thrown in. And then I was like, if I was a 2-star athlete with, you know, basketball, and I sit there imagining me like dunking on people with a bigger penis and shit like that. But I don't know, man. I'm not normal. I don't know what to tell you. A little bit of TMI there, but I'm an open book over here. Buy Jewel and realize gaming crypto is effing stupid. Sell at the top. That's more than 3 words, but those were sage words, my friend. Jason, are we still going to get rich off Jewel? Is Jewel still going to the moon? Did you ever answer if you're still buying Pepe, bitch? Russia going to use F-16s as target practice. I missed that one. Keep buying. I feel like this is bad advice, if I'm being honest. Just putting my iWatch on the charger. It's in the red. All right, I feel like that's bad advice, bro. Just keep buying, huh? The more I buy, the more it goes down. Let's see how I'm doing. I've bought in $250 so far, and it's worth $234. I just bought $55 more of it, bitch. Are you happy? That's 32,917,000. Can you imagine when Pepe is the price of Bitcoin? How rich we're gonna be? Oh my goodness! I can't. I just threw more money out the window. What is wrong with me? I should have bought Bitcoin. I'm trying to get up to 1 billion. I'm pretty sure I've got to be at 1 billion, bro. Right? No, I'm not. Oh my goodness, I'm down so much. I hate you. I'm down $1,100. There's half a Billy right there. Almost half a Billy. You're not messing around. And then I can't even read that number. 182 million. I'm at like 600 million. Trying to make fun of my glasses. You don't think these are pretty fly for a white guy? Yeah, get used to it, bitch. These are, I'm giving because my eyes are really tired all the time. So these are the blue light. I almost didn't wear them for the stream. What kind of wallet are you talking about on my phone? That was just Gemini, bro. Just Gemini. I can. Yeah, well, I slept pretty good last night, and I wore these all day yesterday. And my eyes feel less tired today. I never stick to it when I buy these because usually people make fun of me, and I really didn't. They were $9, bro. I really didn't care what they look like. I make everything look good, Ricky. I make everything look sexy, right, Koska? Don't let me down. All right, let's see. Wellness great, sleep fuel rating premium. I'm 1.5% in debt. So I need a little nap today is what that's saying. Yeah, I got ripped off. I got 3 pairs. I got different colors. Oh, what? These things are sexy, man. Hey, baby. Yeah, these do look like mom glasses, but I don't care. I give 2 shits, dude. Maybe I'll go try and find some dude looking ones here. Everything looks good except the portfolio. What does that mean? What do you mean everything looks good except the portfolio? That one's over my head, Jason. What are you saying? Yeah, if I could get some that look like this, these look pretty tight, right? These make me look smart or nerdy. I don't know. Now you're going to make me all self-conscious about it, Ricky. I hope you're happy. I hope you're happy. What is ESL? Except everything looks good except the portfolio. Man, I'm terrible with the English language. Why am everything looks good except everything looks good because I have Pepe? Grandma. No, because she was right. Oh wait, except Jason is ESL. What is ESL, bro? English is a second. Was it supposed to be accept? Well, now what are we doing? Was it supposed to be accept or accept? Accept. It could have been accept the portfolio. I read it as accept though, so. Retros, bitch, what's your primary language? UK? What's your primary language? You probably won't tell us because you're a little bitch. Koska, is English your primary language? Aren't you like, Spanish? You're Spanish? I did not expect that. Vos eres una perrita. Is that a English is native? Velez in the house. How you doing, brother? I got Casper recently. I think it's a sleeper. I'm not a fan. Vos eres una perrita. Isn't perrita like parrot? I know the word perrita. Vos eres Spanish. Oh, I'm a bitch. Oh, that was pretty funny. Why is Caspa a sleeper? I don't know shit about it, to be honest. Caspa is some proof of. I don't know, dude. I've heard people talk about it recently. It had its moment in the sun for a couple days. Network is busy. Gas prices are high. In 1927, Norma Talmadge began a tradition where when she accidentally stepped in wet cement while it was under construction. Who is what? Yeah, this was a really weird story. Black only graduation at University of Berkeley. Is Mint F off not ready yet? I think. Oh wait, I did want to check how Indy was doing. This shit was. I don't. Why is Indy pumping? Oh, it's not even on here. There we go. 6. Why is like what news came out on Indy? Guess we can check their Twitter. I mean their Discord. They have some big news come out recently. TVL's going up. Yeah, not sure why Indy's up, but I'm not complaining. I continue to just make money over there. COSPA used to be a promising proof of work rug. CASPA hasn't rug. It has no pre-mine or VC, straight up fair launched. All right, let's take a look at CASPA. I seriously doubt it's going to blow my hair back. But nothing blows my hair back besides Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Cardano. So don't take it personal. Coin. We'll do Masari. Caspa. Where's it? $133. It's got a nice little potential J curve happening right now. Trading volume 7 million, kind of light. Markets MEXC. So no real. If it gets listed somewhere, that could be good. Circulating supply 17 billion, 982 million. About 1/3 of Cardano. Market cap 273 million. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little bit interested just because. Oh, it's on KuCoin. All right, that knocks it down a little bit. It hadn't been on KuCoin yet. It's not on Binance. It's not on Coinbase. It's not on any of those. Take a quick look at their LinkedIn. Buy Pepe. If doesn't buy, we all need to buy. If Tom buys, you must sell it. Yeah, you continue to fade Tom and see how that works out for you, Ricky. I hate to break it to you, but Tom's done pretty good. I haven't been perfect, but I'm doing pretty good. And again, I'm not always right. Okay, they got a cat listed on their LinkedIn, and there's only 4 people. No. Econ major with a passion for DLT. You can't even really go to his profile. First block DAG and fully scalable. All 5 employees. One of them's a cat. There's hardly anything on Masari about it. And this Pepe's on my ledger, bitch. Let him backdoor me. I like a good backdoor. Yeah, bro, this does not look like. They don't even have the white paper. Here we go. Phantom Ghost Tag, a scalable generalization. I bet a lot of this is stolen from Phantom. Bunch of shit in here no one can understand. I mean, give me a break. I see the word stochastics. Yeah, this paper is bullshit, bro. Who's gonna understand this? No one. Where's the light paper? Where's the roadmap? Reddit, Discord. Contributors. Let's see. Yotan. Ghost Tag, invented by Yotan. All right, does this guy come up? Don't mess with the Yotan. Yotan hasn't posted yet, and he's got nothing, bro. No, like you can't tell what he's in Israel, the Hebrew University of Jerusalem. What did he do? He's got a PhD, CS post. This says he's got no real anything, no credentials, no job history. Computer, what's a postdoc? So he has a PhD postdoc. Does that mean PhD? Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Open source, COSPA currency researcher. He was an intern, Barrett researcher, algo and software developer. This guy's got some minor credentials. This guy, core developer. All right, this guy better have a banger. These guys are from all, so apparently this is from Israel. That's actually a positive in my book, but perfected tech, IBM security team leader, senior software engineer. So his guy's credentials aren't horrible, but they don't scream I'm a god at cryptocurrency. Right? You need someone that really understands blockchain, I'm not talking about throw a couple devs in a room and you know you're gonna put out a paper like this. You need to have real smart mofos on your team that really know what they're doing, not just go copy some code from Phantom and think they're going to be able to figure it out, right? This is a team that's trying to raise cash and hopefully figure it out and get rich in the process. That's all this is, right? And that's what most of crypto is. Cardano not excluded, right? Charles Hoskinson went out with a vision. He did a cash raise, and he's developing and he's delivering. Everyone else does the same thing. It's whether or not they start delivering or not. Charles is a smart mofo. He was on Ethereum, he was in Bitcoin, right? And he got smart people around him. These other guys, they're faking it till they make it. Almost everyone in crypto right now is faking it till they make it. There's a few exceptions here and there, right? But this team doesn't scream exception to me. Now, will it do good in the bull run? Maybe, probably, right? It'll probably get its momentum. All it really takes is a few people like George, pumping it at the top. Like what was that other one he did? It was like Caspa. It was Cas. It was something like Cas, wasn't it? I don't remember. It was another proof of work. Those dudes look like a bunch of. Oh my goodness. Don't threaten Tom with a good time. Hell yeah, you must be talking about the backdoor stuff. George bought Jewel at the top, and there was that other one, Cav. Was it Cav? No. Oh, what was that freaking rug pull? Let's see if we can find it real quick. I gotta get to work. Shut up, dog. I swear it started with a K. It was a hot proof of work chain. Look at render, 244. Retro probably sold like little bitch hands. There's this proof of work coin that was really hot in the last bull run. I can never remember the name. I think I can probably find it quicker if I pull up Binance app. Uh-oh. All right, real quick, trying to wrap this up, but I'm having too much fun. I did a little bit of work this morning. I got a little bit of time. All right, ICP, you know me. Does this thing not exist anymore? Kadena. Kadena. What happened to that rug pull? George was telling people to buy that shit at $30-some too. Remember that one? Spin off from like JP Morgan or something. George, I'm bungling. That has to be JT Tegger in the house. How you doing, brother? Is Ricky still here? Because I feel like George is Ricky. Yeah. Ricky's a funny man. What's good, y'all? Just had to come in to straighten this ball. Cost was interesting. You know why Amazon is going down for 2 days? Yeah, because it was going up for like a rocket ship. Shame Tom doesn't have to drive to work. Oh, yeah. Cost was interesting because there was no ICO. Imagine Cadena without the VC dumpage. Plenty of upside. Bro, I hope you make a fortune in Cospa. I really do. Cadena. Yeah, look at this. This is where George was telling people to buy it. I shit you not, $20 to $25. The literal top. And he YOLO'd hard into poor George, man. He took some on the face last bull run. He YOLO'd a lot of money into UST Anchor, and he YOLO'd like, well, I mean, he probably still has millions, so you're gonna lose them. You're gonna lose some. We lost some money over here. I lost money on Harmony One is the big one. Not much, but the money I could have took off the table with that and Jewel, it saddens. It saddens me so much. All right. You buy any no. I'm not, bro. I maybe I made a mistake. I don't know what to tell you. Ooh, the market's pumping. Or everything went green. Oh, Coinbase is green. Is Bitcoin doing good all of a sudden? I'm yellowing in Bitcoin or Coinbase right now. I think the next 2 years is going to be I think it's going to outpace Tesla. And then I'm going to sell and we're going to get back into Tesla. That's my plan. Whether or not that was a good or bad plan, I don't know what to tell you, bro. I think Tesla is the best must-own stock out there, but I'm risking it for the biscuit. Amazon. Let's answer your Amazon question. There's probably no news. I'll quickly do some high-level technical analysis on Amazon because technical analysis does work. It's the greatest thing ever. I mean, if you look at the daily, okay, it's been up. It's been up for basically 91 days, and you're complaining because it's down 2. This is something you just buy. Do you have 100 shares? Can you sell covered calls? Just buy and hold or sell covered calls. It's getting near a fib. It's above all the thingies. I wouldn't worry about it. It might come back down to the 20 and then go back up. 500 shares? Can you buy? No, bro. I can't buy crypto in my era. But, and you got to understand what you're doing here. Do you ever sell options? Let's see. Go 60 days out. You could sell the 125. There's no earnings. 23%. You can go all the way to the 140. No, those aren't worth it. So it is at the expected move. You could earn at the, close to $900 in credit. But you got to understand if Amazon goes above 125, it's going to get called away from you. You can roll out and it might come back in and it might not get called away from you. And then you could take that money and you could sell puts. Selling covered calls is always the best play, right? And especially if you can time it when it's up and it looks like it's going back down. But a lot of people get really upset when their shares get called away and they see that they could have made a bunch of money. Say Amazon goes to 145, you're like, oh man. But over time, if you sell covered calls and you do it mechanically, you make more money over time. It's just people can't get over, those mental hurdles. So if that kind of stuff, you're going to sit there and panic that your shares are going to get called away because there's a 22% chance it's going to touch 125. So a 1 in 5 chance. And with the whole debt thing, again, I personally think what's likely to happen is they're going to raise the debt ceiling. The market's going to pump for like a day, half a day, and then it's going to tank. Yeah, that's not you. What's not you? Selling options? Or panicking because you might lose them? Above all things... I love this George and the Bungle guy. We need more of this guy. All right, everyone. It is time. Selling. You're just buy and hold, bro. Like, who cares what Amazon's doing right now? It's a long-term hold. You know what I mean? Sounds like you're building a pretty solid portfolio over there. Weekly grind. It is a magnificent Monday. Actually, you are 10 minutes late. Yeah. I did a little work this morning. All right. So, Retro's coming in with that shitty attitude. Let's have a positive mental attitude. It's going to be a great day. I'm going to go out and get some vitamin D. I'm going to get that, get the juices flowing. I'm going to get a lot accomplished at work today. I'm going to feel great. I'm going to feel great in knowing I'm making that money. We buying the hell out of these these Bitcoins, Ethereums, and Pepes when shit's cheap. The next bull run's coming. Looks like we're a good 12 to 18 months out before we can start sipping champagne. Go juice. No, juice. Fructose is bad. Casca juicing is bad, especially for someone with type 2 diabetes. But let's go out. Let's go out and get it. Let's go out and get it, everyone. All right, I'll be back 6:30 a.m. PST. Be there. UNF Square. Love you all. And peace.